Hey guys, and welcome back to a new video. In this video we're going to be looking at how to add an image to your page. We're just going to be adding this image to the page we already created. I'm going to add a picture of an elephant. As you see here, I have found a picture of an elephant and now it's in my folder called Photos, and that's why I have to link this picture inside the folder. So as you see here, I have written the code, the EMG code, and inside this CRS, as you see here inside, I'm going to be adding the source of the picture, which is photo and then name of the picture, which is just a lot of gibberish. After this, we need to add an alt. The alt attribute is used as an alternative for an image. So if for some reason the image doesn't show for a user and the user can see it, they will see this text that explains what's on the image. That's why I called the alt an elephant, so people know this is a picture of an elephant. So this is how it looks like. As you see, it's huge. It basically takes up the whole page, which we don't really want. So what we're going to do now is going to go into our code again and do a bit of styling kind of in the edge, but I will later show you how you can do it in the CSS. But that's for a future video, so right now we're just going to do it like this. So we are going to use the height code and we're going to put it to 200 pixels. Pixels are just a measurement, so you can like play around with it and see how different sizes look. Here's how 200 pixels looks on our page, and I feel like this is a nice size for the page I'm creating right now, so I'm just gonna keep it like this. So the code we use today is basically set up from 3 different aspects. We have the start, that is just the EMG. Then we have the SRC, which stands for source, and here we just link the folder. If you put the folders in and just show the PC where it's supposed to look for it. And then you have the alt, the alternative for image, which just explains what's in the image. And that's basically all you need to link a photo. I hope you learned something new here and that you will build an amazing page with this information. And see you in the next video. Bye.